Yeah, while you're out there looking for some kind of brand new start, I'll just be kicking it with this VP baby R. You're gonna come back with your bags packed, missing me for too long, yeah. I'll just be here drinking a beer, baby, while you're gone, yeah. Hey, thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this great song that was requested. This is While You're Gone by Drew Parker. It's a super cool song, and it's super easy. And I had never heard it before, so I appreciate the request. All right, so let's get into it. Please hit like and subscribe, by the way, just before I forget that. And also, I'm thinking about doing some live videos, so you guys can like ask me questions and stuff during. I'm thinking about doing that maybe like once a week or something like that. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like that. If that would be useful for you or not, because I don't want to do it if you guys feel like it's not. So anyway, yeah, and please hit subscribe so you'll get notified when I come out with new videos and tutorials, and please hit like so that more people will see the video, okay? All right, so this song, super easy. You're gonna have a capo on the first fret, as you can see there, okay? First fret, and then it's in standard tuning. So the main chords you're gonna use for this song are C, and then you can do F, but it's really easy in the song to just go from C and then do F major 7, which is just like that, okay? So it's the same thing as C. You keep your pointer finger on there, but instead of being on C, you're gonna move these down. So you're gonna put your ring finger is gonna be on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo on the D string, and then your ring finger, all right, goes on there. It's gonna be on the 2nd fret on the G string, okay? So that's how it sounds. So you're gonna do C, F major 7. And then you're gonna do G, and it's easier to do this G, but do what feels best. But you do G, C, okay? So that's how you're gonna play a lot of the song. You're also going to use A minor and D minor 7 at different points in the song as well. But those are more like for later on, so I'll show you. Well, sorry, the A minor is pretty soon, but the other one's farther. So you're gonna do, okay, for the intro, no lyrics with this. You're just gonna do C, and this is basically, you're just strumming it like this because it's just single strums, okay? You're gonna do C, F major 7, C, A minor, okay? And then you're gonna start over and do C, F major 7, C, C, okay? So then when you start with the verse, you're just gonna keep doing that, all right? And I'm just gonna show you where you do, like what chords you do when for the verse, okay? So you're gonna do, I'm sitting, okay, so C is I'm sitting. I'm sitting on a tailgate, okay, tailgate is F major 7. Tailgate by the lake watching, okay, watching is G. Watching the sun go down. Down is A minor. Down, and C. And there's a lucky strike, buzz, okay. So, and there's a lucky strike, theirs is gonna be C. There's a lucky strike, buzz. Buzz is F major 7 again. Buzz got me betting you're missing. Missing is G. Missing me bad right now. Okay, then now is C. All right, so it starts with C, F major 7, G, A minor. Then it goes C, F major 7, G, C. Okay, and then you're gonna start over. You're just gonna repeat that for the verse. So you're gonna go, I ain't is C. I ain't heard from you. U is F major 7. You right now or seen. So, okay, seen you around in 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, so around is G. Seen you around in 2 or 3 weeks. Weeks is A minor, weeks. I can't tell, so you do C right before I can't tell if the jokes, okay, jokes is F major 7. Joke's on you, girl. Or if you, okay, so then after girl, you're gonna do G. Or if the joke's on me. Me is C, all right, me. Then for the first chorus, you're gonna do the same thing with strumming wise, okay? So I'm gonna walk you through that now. So you're gonna do, yeah, while you're out there. Okay, so C is yeah. Yeah, while you're out. Out is F major 7. Out there looking for some is G, some kind of brand new start. Okay, so some is G, and brand new start is C. Then you start over again. So then you go C, I'll just be kicking. Okay, so C is an I'll, and then kicking is F major 7. Kicking it with this VP I think it's VP. I don't drink, so I don't know what they're talking about here. But anyway, so I think it's VP, but it's VP, B, B, R. So on R is where you do C. So you do on VP, you do G, B, P, R. R is C. R. All right, so you're starting, then you're gonna start over. You're gonna come back. So you're C. You're gonna come back. Back is F major 7. Back with your bags packed. Missing is G. Missing me for too long. Okay, so you notice you do missing is G. Missing me for too long. Long is A minor. Long, yeah. And you go to C. I'll be right. So C, I'll be right here. Here is F major 7. Here drinking the beer, baby, while you're gone. So beer is a beer, like beer and baby is where you're gonna do G. Beer, baby, while you're gone. And gone is C. Okay. So then you're gonna do like an instrumental thing. All you're gonna do is you're just gonna do this with no no lyrics. You're just gonna do C, F major 7, G, C. And I would just do single strums like that. Then you get to the second verse. Then the strumming pattern is just a little bit different, but it's still super easy. It's just so down, 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 up, 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 down. Okay, so you're just doing that down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. And you don't have to do the down up part. You can just do down, 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 down. Okay, just like that. So you can do that too. Then you can do that same thing when you do the second chorus. So the second verse and the second chorus, you're doing that just, all right, just down, 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 just like that, okay? That's all you're doing. Now, then after the second chorus, you're gonna go into the instrumentals again where they kind of have like a solo and stuff. So for this part, you're just gonna play C, F, G, A minor. Okay, then you go back into C. You're gonna go C, F major 7, and on F major 7 you're gonna go oh yeah. So you're doing C, F major 7, G, C. Okay, then for the bridge, this is where you use D minor. Okay, so you're gonna do D minor. All right, if you don't know how to play that, it's like this. So you're gonna bar. That's the easiest way I know how to play it. You're gonna bar the B and the little E strings, okay? So on the first fret, okay? And then you're gonna put your middle finger on the second fret on the, let's see, that's the G string, okay? So, well, maybe, okay, maybe is D minor. Maybe you're headed back driving fast, okay? Then you're gonna go to F major 7 again and do missing me like hell. So missing is F major 7. You can do F if you want. I just think it's harder to transition to. Okay, but it's up to you. So you can do, so let's see, so it's, well, maybe you're headed back driving fast, missing me like hell. So missing is F major 7, missing me like hell, and then you do D minor again. Or maybe you really are long gone. So maybe is D minor. Maybe you really are long gone. Then you're gonna do G, and I'm just fooling myself. Okay, then you're gonna do, baby, it's hard to tell, but, so for this part you can do either one. You can do the, so you could do that strumming, or you can do the slow. I think it's better if you do the this one, because for the last chorus, once you get to that, you're actually just, then they slow it down again, you're just doing the single strums. While you're out there looking for some kind of brand new start. Okay, so then you're gonna go back into the single strums. So I think it sounds better for the bridge if you do that. Anyway, that's how you play the whole song. It's super easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, if you have other song requests and stuff. It's been fun, and I'll see you guys next time.